Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus Yibo Edition. The Wang Yibo participated in the design. High refresh rate AMOLED display, new 6nm 5G processor, 108 megapixel triple camera setup, 120 watt fast charging, and many more. Today I am going to see you the unboxing of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus Yibo Edition. Hey guys, Maiky from the Tech Maiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more latest amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. Looking the packaging box is actually very interesting. The thickness of the packaging box is about twice that of the ordinary model. When we open the lid of the box, we have a phone itself. In the lower layer, the 120 watt charging head and the data cable. In the cardboard box, there is a SIM ejector tool, user manual, and a customized phone case that looking very different. Let's unwrap the plastic of the phone and talk about the design of this phone. The phone is based on Note 11 Pro Plus and designed by Wang Yibo. It is limited to 9,785 sets worldwide. The back of the body uses a diagonal strip texture that highlight the elements of the motorcycle track and the Wang Yibo signature. The most eye-catching design is the Redmi logo, which is suspended on the back panel of the phone like a holographic projection. The official launch of it is the first full-line suspension process. 1,15,000 pieces are placed on the membrane with a thickness of only 0.2 mm. The original micrographics corresponded to the 1,15,000 micro lens 1:1 and finally realized the floating effect of the Redmi logo. The picture may not look obvious enough, but in terms of the naked eye, it is a 3D subtitle in the movie theater. Briefly review the specification of the phone. MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor with LPDDR4X 8GB RAM and UFS 2.2 256GB storage. A 6.67 inch AMOLED straight edge display with a Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz fast refresh rate. And last 4500 mAh battery that supports 120 watt wired fast charging. The rear 3 camera is a 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel macro camera. Front 16 megapixel selfie camera. There are also a X-axis linear motor, 3-dimensional dual speaker, IR blaster and 3.5mm headphone jack. The price of the phone is in China is around 2,699 Chinese yuan. In pound is around 316 pounds. So guys, what do you think about Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus Yibo Edition? What is the max you pay for this phone? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just comment below and we will answer them soon. Also give thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing latest tech updates first. Well, me signing off. Thanks for the watching. Have a great day and keep smiling. And I will see you in the next one.